Here we are. It's Tuesday morning. Here's Max is in the swing again. He's in the swing of things. Hey Max, good morning. He's watching the Tour de France. He's in action. No more blanket, huh? It's pretty warm out here today in Vancouver. No more blanket going on. Okay, let's stop the action here. Good morning. What's up, Max? What are you doing? How was that El Tour?
No injuries for him, suffering from a fever, sadly, so he wasn't allowed to start by his team today. So that means 191 riders line up for hell today.
Is that exciting? Is that exciting on the El Tour? You like that? Pretty fun, huh?
We did expect the first 3 days on the open road of the Tour de France this year to be dramatic, and I don't think anybody would dispute the fact that it has been extremely
Let's take a look here.
on stages 2 and
let's see what we're doing.
a bit of drama on stage 3.
Little bicycle racing.
Pick up the pace, heading down towards the finish line near Arenberg. Well, 7 riders are leading this race. The 7 riders got clear after just 13 kilometres, again after a very aggressive start. Here's the names for you. Steve Cummings of Team Sky, Ryder Hagedal of Garmin Transition, Pavel Brut of Katusha, Roger Kluger Milram, Pierre Roland of the French B-Box team.
You ready for action now? You had a little long night last night, but it's going to be a fun day, huh? Huh? It's going to be a fun day. You're so silly. Okay, you ready to have some breakfast? Okay, let's have some brekkie. We'll see you later.